Construction joint. It is a planned discontinuity in concrete structures where two successive placements of concrete meet. These joints are essential when it is not possible to pour the entire structure in one go, like in large slabs, long retaining walls, or multi-story columns. The purpose of construction joints. It allows a continuation of work after a break in concreting, and it also helps to manage shrinkage, and it allows structural integrity and load transfer between old and new concrete. Okay, and it also prevents uncontrolled cracking. Types of construction joints. First one is vertical joints. Vertical joints are common in slabs, beams and walls. And next one is horizontal joints. It is mainly found in columns and walls when concrete is poured in lifts. Next one is keyed joints. It includes interlocking shapes to improve shear. And next one is dowel joints. It is mainly used in steel dowels to transfer the load across the slab. In beams, construction joints can be provided near the point of minimum shear. And in slabs, it can be provided away from concentrated loads or mid-span. Okay. And in columns, it can be provided just below the beam or slab level. Okay. And in walls, it can be provided above the base or aligned with the floor levels. Construction tips of a construction joint. First, we need to clean and roughen the joint surface before the next pour. And next, we can use bonding agents like cement slurry for better adhesion. And we need to ensure reinforcement continuity across the joint. Okay, thank you.